You know that if you smash the like button, subscribe, and click the notification bell, you're more likely to win the lottery? So what are you waiting for?
From the furthest reaches of our solar system, to the storms of Jupiter, to asteroid sample collection, NASA's New Frontiers program was created to tackle specific questions about our solar system, deemed top priorities by the planetary community. The first of these missions, New Horizons, launched in 2006, still provides groundbreaking scientific data today. New Horizons was humanity's first encounter with Pluto and its moons, uncovering that this dwarf planet is a dynamic world unlike anything ever imagined. But New Horizons didn't stop there. In 2019, this intrepid spacecraft visited the most distant object ever explored by humankind, named 2014 MU69, beginning the exploration of the mysterious Kuiper Belt, a region of primordial objects that holds keys to understanding the origins of our solar system. The second mission, Juno, has been unlocking Jupiter's secrets and sending us breathtaking images since 2016. By studying the planet's atmosphere, interior, and magnetic fields, Juno continues to improve our understanding of the solar system's beginnings, revealing the origin and evolution of Jupiter. Next up was OSIRIS-REx, a mission that arrived at near-Earth asteroid Bennu in 2018. OSIRIS-REx will directly sample an asteroid and return the sample back to Earth in 2023. The team will use state-of-the-art labs on Earth to analyze the sample, which will help scientists understand the possible building blocks of life, as well as improve our understanding of asteroids that could impact Earth. And today, we announce our next mission to explore our solar system.
NASA is pushing the boundaries of human knowledge and expanding the limits of technology. Today, I am proud to announce that our next New Frontiers mission, Dragonfly, will explore Saturn's largest moon, Titan. Dragonfly will be the first drone lander with the capability to fly over 100 miles through Titan's thick atmosphere. Titan is unlike any other place in our solar system, and the most comparable to early Earth. The instruments on board will help us investigate organic chemistry, evaluate habitability, and search for chemical signatures of past or even present life. This revolutionary mission would have been unthinkable just a few short years ago. A great nation does great things. We will launch Dragonfly to explore the frontiers of human knowledge for the benefit of all humanity.
Hello. Welcome to NASA Science Live, your opportunity to go behind the scenes at your nation's space program. I'm Greg Hautaloma, and I'm your host for today's special edition. We've all just heard the great news that Dragonfly has been selected to visit Saturn's moon Titan, the next mission in our New Frontiers program. Now let's get a little context about that from our head of the Science Mission Directorate, Thomas Serbuchen, and Dr. Lori Glaze, head of our Planetary Science Division.
Hey, I'm Thomas Serbuchen, Associate Administrator for Science.
And I'm Lori Glaze. I'm the Director of Planetary Science Division at NASA.
And we're so excited to have selected Dragonfly to go forward as the next New Frontiers mission. It's the science that really motivates us to do this exciting and difficult mission, a mission that has elements of advanced instrumentation, but also has the ability of flying in that atmosphere of Titan, a world that we, of course, looked at with Cassini and Huygens, our international analysis with ESA and the Italian Space Agency.
And what really excites me about this mission is the fact that Titan has all of the key ingredients needed for life. Liquid water and liquid methane. We have the complex organic molecules, carbon-based molecules, and we have the energy that we know is required for life. And so we have on Titan opportunity to observe the processes that were present on early Earth when life began to form, and possibly even conditions that may be able to harbor life today. We may be able to look for biosignatures there today. So what an exciting mission.
And of course, that mission is led by Principal Investigator Dr. Elizabeth Turtle at Johns Hopkins University Applied Physics Lab, but also by a core team that really brought together a very diverse group, close to 40% female, but also an engineering team that brought just a couple of years ago, brought together the Parker Solar Probe, a very hard technological, challenging mission, brought that together below cost and on schedule. So we're really excited to see what's going to happen here. Go Dragonfly.
Go Dragonfly.
Thanks, Thomas and Lori. They really wanted to be here with us, but they're on another continent right now. But we do have a lot of really interesting people with us today, and they're going to be able to answer your questions, so please send them to us. Use the hashtag AskNASA on Facebook and Twitter, or leave a comment in the box at whatever platform you're watching this on. Right now, I've got Kurt Niebuhr with me. He is the lead program scientist for New Frontiers, and he's going to tell us a little bit about why Titan is such a great place for us to visit. Welcome, Kurt. So let's get on right with that. Why do we want to go to Titan?
Thanks, Gray. You know, Titan is a really fascinating place. It's the only moon in our solar system that has a thick atmosphere. It's actually thicker than Earth's atmosphere. And it's a fascinating place because in this atmosphere, there are chemical reactions going on that actually cause organic molecules, very complex organic molecules, to be formed, and then they drift down out of the atmosphere to the surface, almost like a light snow that's always forming. And it's that kind of complicated organic synthesis that really drives our interest toward Titan.
As Thomas mentioned, we've been there before with the Huygens probe. What did that tell us?
The Huygens probe was provided by the European Space Agency, and it was a really tremendous mission. It was delivered by the Cassini spacecraft, and Huygens was the first probe to descend and land on Titan. And we're actually going to land Dragonfly near that location. And what Huygens did was tell us what the atmosphere is like, what kind of properties and conditions we can expect, and even to a limited extent what the surface was like. We would not be able to do the Dragonfly mission if Huygens had not provided the data that it provided.
It's kind of mind-blowing to think that we're going to the moon of another planet. The first time we've ever done something like that, landed and flying around like this. So tell us a little bit more. Why is it such an interesting target for scientists?
Well, you know, in addition to that organic haze that's snowing down, Titan has what we call a methane cycle. You know, Earth has a hydrological cycle where clouds form with water vapor and they eventually condense and it rains. Titan has something very similar to that, except instead of liquid water, it's liquid methane. Sort of like the liquefied natural gas that's in your propane tank for your barbecue grill. And this actually forms clouds in Titan's atmosphere, and it also comes together in storms, rainstorms, that then carve the surface and create lakes and rivers and canyons. And even though it's very cold on Titan, it has a lot of similarities to Earth in that respect.
Yeah, so it sounds like there are a lot of features on Titan like Earth, like rivers, lakes. So if we were with Dragonfly on the surface, I mean, would we recognize it? Or is it like such an ancient Earth-like atmosphere, we wouldn't know what we're looking at?
Oh, I think we would definitely recognize it. And one of the great things about Dragonfly is with the cameras that it has looking forward and downward, as Dragonfly is flying over the surface, it's going to be taking pictures and sending those back to Earth. So we will actually get the experience as if we were riding along with Dragonfly, looking down at this alien...
Did you know that if you smash the like button, subscribe, and click the notification bell, you're more likely to win the lottery? So what are you waiting for?